Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video, I am going to explain ortho views from an isometric view. This is our isometric view. This is a block, machining block, and the size of the block is length is 50 mm, width is 35, and height is also 35. The 20 plus 15, 35. 35 by 35 by 50, it is size of the block. Okay, so this uh, blue color, this face blue color, it is visible in front view, this area front view, and in the top view, this red color area, this area and this area, these are visible in top view, and this yellow area, it is visible in side view. As side view, this yellow area and this yellow area, these are visible in the side view, whereas this green area in the middle, it is shown here, this green area, it is visible in top view as well as front view, because there is a taper. This is a taper face, so it is visible in two views. So okay, so let us start now. This size is for top view. It is given here 50 by 35, this area. Okay, so from the top, if you see from the top, then this this complete rectangle is visible, because this line is visible here, this line, and then this line. So this complete, this rectangle is visible. So I have to draw one rectangle here. This is a rectangle. If I start from this point, this rectangle, if you start here, say this rectangle from this point to this point. Okay, so this is visible. Then this line at a distance of 10 mm width, this line is visible. So I have to draw one vertical line at a distance of 10 mm. So I will draw a line like this at a distance of 10 mm. If I draw a line like this is a line at a distance of 10 mm. And again one more line, this line, it is also 10 mm from this vertical line. One more line is there, 10 mm distance. I have to draw here this line like this. Now I will edit this line, say this point, I will extend it up to this point, and here up to this point. Okay, then similarly this line also I will extend this up to this point here, and then from this point to this point. Okay, so these are two vertical lines here in the top view. So in the top view only these lines are visible. Okay, now in the top view, this area is visible, this area is visible, and this green, for this green, it is visible like this. So here this is 10 mm, this is 10 mm, and in between it is 30 mm like this. So total distance is 50 mm here. So now this is our front view, and this is our side view. In front view, if you are looking from this side, this blue area is visible, this blue area. Okay, so what I have to do is, this line is visible and one step is there, 15 mm into 10 mm. This step is there. So what we have to do is, uh, in front view, what I have to do is, I will draw this line here. This line is, uh, if I start it from this point, this line is there like this, then this line is visible here, then this line up to distance of 20 mm, up to distance 20 mm. Okay, so it is approximately 20 mm distance. Okay, then this 10 mm, this distance like this, and then again this distance is also 10 mm like this. Then I have to draw a horizontal line here. Okay, up to this point, and then here, and then I have to draw up to this point and complete. So this area, front area, it is visible like this here. And now in the front, if you see, this again, one vertical line is visible like this. This line, okay, if I draw a line like this, one line is visible from this point to okay, what I have to do is, I have to draw a line. It will start from this point, say, if I draw a line, this I start here like this, it is up to this point approximately 10 mm from here. Okay, what I have to do is, I have to extend this point up to here. Okay, up to this point. So this is the line, this is your 30 mm length line here, and I have to match this point from this point here. What I have to do is, I have to draw a line, a vertical line, say this is a line. Okay, and now what I have to do is, I have to move it here up to this point like this, and then I have to extend it up to this point, say. Okay, so it is visible like this in the front. So this is your, in the front view, this is your green area, this here, this rectangle is there in the green area, and if you see here from the front, this is your blue area like this blue area, and then this is your empty space here like this. So it is your front view. This is your front view. Okay, now it is side view. So how to, I have to draw side view. In the side, if you see here, this is a square of 35 into 35. 20 plus 15 is 35. Height is also 35. Width is also 35. Okay. What I have to do is, I have to draw one square of 35 from this. if I draw it like this, if I start it from here and up to this point, you draw it like this. So it is visible. And one more thing is visible. This line at a distance of 20 mm height. At a distance of 20 mm, I have to draw a line. This is 20 mm here. So I have to draw a line. If I draw a line like this at a distance of 20 mm, okay, say this is a line, and what I have to do is I have to extend it up to this point like this. So this line is at a distance of 20 mm here, like this something. Okay, I have drawn a line at a distance of 20 mm. Now what I have to do is for this taper in the front, if you see here, this is a line. It will start from this point and it will end to up to this point. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to draw a line which will, if you see in the front view, so this is at a distance of 10 mm from the bottom, at a 10 mm. So this line will come. So see, if I draw a line here from this point, say a taper line, and if you see here like this, up to distance of 10 mm like this. So there will be line up to this point, in the side view, like this. If you see here, there is a taper line like this, and it will come up to this point, up to this height. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to extend it here up to this point like this, and I can say this distance, this line is visible only up to this point. If you see here, 15 height is there, and this line is up to this point, it is visible, and then there will be a hidden line. Okay, this line, and then there will be a hidden line. Hidden line will be up to this distance, Okay, what I have to do is I have to draw one more line like this, a taper line like this. I have to draw a line like this now. Okay, and I have to change this property of the line. Property is, it is a hidden line. This property style is, say, hidden. Hidden means it is a dotted line like this, in the style of the line. Okay, I will extend this up to this point. Okay, and it should be at a distance of 10 only, so it will be up to 10, up to this height is 10 mm. Okay, so this line will be like this. It is visible like this only, and so this way we have completed all the views. Because if you look here from the side view, one rectangle is visible, this yellow, 20 by 35. So this rectangle is your 20 by 35, this rectangle. Okay, and then this complete this line is also visible. This line, total height 35, so this line is visible, this line, and then there is a taper line which is from the bottom, which is at a distance of 10 mm, from the bottom at a 10 mm, and this angle is there, this taper will match here, and this portion will be hidden line only, this portion, because it is not visible here, and this portion is a firm line like this. So this way we have completed all the views. I think it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video.